Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to easily reset your password on Microsoft Teams. So let's get started. I'm making this video especially for the mobile users. So this is an Android device I'm using. First of all, we have to download the Microsoft Teams app. So here you can open Play Store and download Microsoft Teams. This is Microsoft Teams app. After downloading, you have to open it. So this will be the home screen of your Microsoft Teams. Now here we have to click on create or use account, and here we have to give the email ID of the student. Now for example, let us take a student Tanishq. So I have to give the name of the student Tanishq, and then I have to write the ID of the student. This ID will be given by the school and which has been already shared to the parents. If you do not know your student's ID, then you can ask with the class teacher. This can be asked to the class teacher for the ID. So first you have to give the name of the student, then the student ID @ bpsg student.org.in. This will be the complete email ID. I'm repeating it again. First the name of the student, then the ID of the student @ bpsgstudent.org.in. This will be the complete email ID that you have to enter in the Microsoft Teams. Then you have to click on next. Now if you are well aware about your password, then you can simply mention the password and click on sign in. But in this case we are learning about how to reset. So let us take I do not know the password, so I will click on forget my password. Click on forget my password. Then it will ask your email ID. So here it will automatically come. Now you have to mention the captcha code. So the captcha code mentioned in this, you have to write here. This captcha code. Then click on next. Now it will ask me to choose either of these options, text on my mobile phone or call on my mobile phone. So I will click on text on my mobile phone. Now it will send me an OTP on my mobile phone which is registered with the school. This mobile number is ending with 56. So I have to mention this mobile number. You have to give your mobile number here. Now it will share an OTP on the mobile number. That verification code, that OTP has to be entered here. Here I have received the code. Now you also have to enter your verification code that you have received on the SMS. After entering it, you have to click on next. Now here you can set your new password. But please remember that the password should contain at least 8 characters, and it should be a combination of uppercase, lowercase letters with the numbers and symbol. So let me create a password. Again you have to confirm this password and click on finish. Now it will reset your password. Now you have to log in into this account to use the Microsoft Teams and to go through your daily classes. So just click here to sign in. Now mention the ID of the student. Again we have to mention that email ID. Complete email ID you have to mention. Tanishq, name of the student, then student ID @ bpsgstudent.org.in. Then click on next. Now we have to enter the password that we have recently created, our new password. So I have entered the new password. Then I have to click on sign in. Then click on next. Again it is asking, so let me enter it again. Now it says we are signing you in, and here we have signed in. Now you can see I am being signed in with the email ID, with this student ID. Now where to see our classes? So you have to go to this calendar, and here on the calendar we can see our classes. We'll be having the classes here. Assignments, teams. If you will go to teams, you will be seeing the classes that you have been mentioned by the class teacher. So this is how you can reset your password on Microsoft Teams. I hope all the queries are sorted. Now I'll take a leave. Thank you for joining and happy learning.